Hello students, let's do area of a trapezium and a polygon, chapter 21, exercise 21a. Page number 239, question 10. The lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 4:5:3 and its perimeter is 96 centimeters. Find its area. So what have we been given? The ratio of the lengths of the sides. We've been given the perimeter. We are asked to find the area. So we have drawn a triangle here, A, B and C. So let's consider the sides of the triangle to be 4x, 5x and 3x. And let's take AB to be 4x, AC to be 5x and BC to be 3x. So let's write that down. So AB is 4x, AC is 5x and BC is 3x. Now we've also been given the perimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is given to us and that is 96 centimeters. Now what is the perimeter of the triangle? It is a sum of all the sides of the triangle. We just have to add up all the sides, we get the perimeter. So let's do that. So here we have 4x plus 5x plus 3x. This will add up to the perimeter, which is 96 centimeters. So here what do we have? 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have 12x is equal to 96. So 12x is equal to 96 centimeters. So what is the value of x? So x will be 96 divided by 12. Now we know 12 ones are 12, 12 eights are 96. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 8. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 8 centimeters. So now that we have found the value of x, we can substitute it for the sides. So AB we said is 4x. So in place of x, we are going to write 8. That means 4 into 8. 4 eights are 32. So AB is 32 centimeters. Now let's look at AC. AC is 5x. That means 5 into 8. 5 eights are 40. So AC is 40 centimeters. Now BC is 3x. That means 3 into 8. 3 eights are 24. So this is 24 centimeters. So 24 centimeters. So now that we have found the sides, we found AB, AC and BC. Let's carry on and find. Now if you look at this figure, you can see that AC square, okay, let's write that, AC square is equal to the sum of the other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. Now let's work that out and see how that happens. Now AC square is 5x the whole square. This is equal to AB, which is 4x. AB square is 4x square plus BC is 3x, 3x the whole square. Let's work that out and see. So 5x square, 5 5s are 25. 25x square is equal to 4 4s are 16. 16x square plus 3 3s are 9. 9x square. So you can see that both sides are equal. You have 25 here, you have 25 here. So if you have an equation like this where you say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, in that case angle B becomes 90 degrees. This becomes 90 degrees and AC is the hypotenuse. So this becomes 90 degrees and AC is the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, angle B is 90 degrees. So let's write that. According to Pythagoras theorem, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So now we can take AB as the height of this triangle, BC as the base of the triangle and apply the formula and find the area of the triangle. So the base of the triangle is 24 centimeters. The height of the triangle is 32 centimeters. And now we can find the area of the triangle using the formula half into base into height. So this is 1 by 2 into the base is 24 centimeters and the height is 32 centimeters. Now let's cancel. 2 ones are 2 and 12. Now we just have to multiply 12 into 32. And that is 384. And we have found the area of the triangle. So this is 384 centimeters square. So this is our answer. Question 11. One of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 13 centimeters. So this is an isosceles triangle and we've been given one of the equal sides. That means the other side is also 13 centimeters. And its perimeter is 50 centimeters. So we've been given a perimeter and two sides. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. So in the isosceles triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, which is equal to 13 centimeters. So we can take it this way. So AB is 13 centimeters. AC is also 13 centimeters. Now we don't know this side, but we've been given the perimeter. So perimeter is given as 50 centimeters. So this is already given to us in the question. And we know what the perimeter is. Perimeter is the sum of all three sides. So we can find this side with the help of the formula for perimeter. So perimeter here will be AB plus AC plus BC, and that is equal to 50 centimeters. Now how much is AB? AB is 13 centimeters. AC is also 13 centimeters. Now we are going to find BC. BC, and all this will add up to 50 centimeters. So to find BC, we say 13 centimeters plus 13 centimeters is 26 centimeters plus BC is equal to 50 centimeters. Now let's find BC. BC is equal to 50 minus 26, which is equal to 24. So BC is 24 centimeters. So we have found the third side also. So now we have all three sides. Let's write down BC here. So BC we have found, and that is 24 centimeters. So now we know all three sides of this triangle. That is, AB is 13 centimeters, AC is 13 centimeters, and BC is 24 centimeters. Now there are two ways in which we can find the area of this isosceles triangle. One is, since we have all three sides mentioned, we can use the Heron's formula and find. Another one is, since this is an isosceles triangle, we can find the perpendicular line here, make this a right angle triangle, and use the regular formula half base into height. We can use any one of these formulae to find the area. Now here let's use the Heron's formula. So according to Heron's formula, we have to find the semi-perimeter and use it. Now AB is taken as side A. So this is A. We can take it as side A. AC can be taken as side B and BC can be taken as side C. This is for our Heron's formula. Okay, now the perimeter is also given to us, and the perimeter is 50 centimeters square. 50 centimeter. Now, we have to find the semi-perimeter, S for the Heron's formula, which is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is A, B and C. When you add it up, you divide it by 2, you get the semi-perimeter. Now we already know the perimeter, so semi-perimeter is half of that. That means 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So semi-perimeter is 25 centimeters. Now we can find the area by using this formula. So let's use this formula and find the area. So S is 25. 25 again, 25 minus A, which is 13. 25 minus B, which is also 13, and then 25 minus C, which is 24. Now we need to work this out. This will be 25 into 25 minus 13 is 12 into 12 into 1. If we multiply 25 into 12, we will get 300. So we get 300 here. 300 into 12. Now we know 12 threes are 36. So we just have to add 2 zeros. Into 1 will give us the same thing, 36, 3600. So this is the square root of 3600. This is the area of the triangle. So now we have to find the square root of 3600. Now we know the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. 6, 6 are 36. Then here we have 2 zeros. When you're finding the square root, if there are 2 zeros, take out only one from that. So it becomes 60 now. So we have found the area. Area is 60 centimeter square. So this is our answer. Question 12. The altitude and the base of an isosceles triangular field are in the ratio 6:5. If its cost that is given to us, the cost of this field is this at the rate of this amount per hectare. And how much is 1 hectare? 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. Now we have to find the dimensions of the field. That means the height and the base of the field. And we have to find this in meters. Okay, so what is given to us? Let's write first. So total cost is given to us. And the total cost is 49,57,200. This is the total cost. And what is the rate? The rate is 36,720 per hectare. Per hectare. Now we are asked to find the area. So once we find the area, we can find the dimensions of the field. So now to find the area when the total cost and the rate are given, what do? We say area is cost of the field by the rate. So when we divide these two, we get the area of the field. Okay, so let's do that. So the cost of the field is 49,57,200. Now we divide this by the rate, and the rate is 36,720. So let's cancel what we can first to make our work easier and then divide this. So when we divide this number now it is 4,95,720 divided by 3,672. What do we get? We get 135. So what have we found? We have found the area, and now this is in hectares. The unit is in hectares. So we have 135 hectares. Now we have to convert it to meters. Here it says convert it to meters. So 1 hectare is 10,000 square meters. So 135 hectares will be 135. So 135 hectares will be 135 into 10,000. So this will be, write down 135, count the number of zeros here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, add all 4 zeros and now put the unit, put the commas so that we know how to read this. So this is 13,50,000, 13,50,000 meters square because we have found the area. So now we have found the area. We will use this to find the dimensions of the field. So let's read the question. The altitude and the base of this triangle are in this ratio 6:5. The ratio of altitude, that is height, is to base is given to us. So now we can write that let the altitude or the height of the field be 6x and let the base be 5x. Now we can use the formula to find the area of the triangle, that is half into base into height. And area we already found out is 13,50,000 meter square. This we already found out, and here we have half into base, and base we said let it be 5x and height let it be 6x. So this is actually 6x meters and 5x meters. Okay, now let's cancel what we can. We can cancel 2 and 6. 2 3s are 6. So here what do we have left now? 13,50,000 meters square is equal to, now 5 into 3, multiply 5 into 3 is 15, x into x is x square. So 15x square. So now we're going to find the value of only x square. So x square will be equal to 13,50,000 divided by 15. So let's do this division. Now here 15 ones are 15. 15 into 9 is 135. Then we add all these zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So now we know x square is 90,000. So what is the value of x? X will be the square root of 90,000. Okay, square root of 90,000. Now we have learned to find the square roots of numbers like this, isn't it? Now what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3. Now there are 4 zeros, and since we're finding the square root, put them in groups of 2. So 2 and 2, and from each group take out 1 0. So take out 1 0 there and 1 0, we get 300. So now we know the value of x. X is equal to 300. Now we can substitute it for the altitude and for the base and find the dimensions of the field. So here we said let the height be 6x meters, isn't it? So that means 6 into x. So 6 into x we found out to be 300. So 6 threes are 18. 18 and 2 zeros. So the height is 1800 meters. Now look at the base. The base we said is 5x meters. So let's multiply 5 into x, and x is 300. 5 threes are 15 and add the 2 zeros, 1500 meters. So we have found the height and we have found the base. So let's write that clearly. So we can say height is equal to 1800 meters and the base is 1500 meters. So we have got our answer here. We've got the dimensions of the field. Question 13. Find the area of a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So we have to find the area of this right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is given to us. Hypotenuse is the side that is opposite the right angle. That means AC. So that is given to us 40 centimeters. And we are also told that one of the other two sides. So there are two sides left. We have AB and BC, and it's given as one of the sides is 24 centimeters. Now we can take BC to be 24 centimeters or AB to be 24 centimeters. So here let's take BC to be 24 centimeters. That means hypotenuse AC is 40 centimeters. One side we can take that as the base, and that is 24 centimeters. Now, when we apply the Pythagoras theorem, according to this, AC square is equal to the sum of AB square plus BC square. If we apply this, we can find this side. So once we find the side, we can use it as a height and find the area of this triangle, because we've been asked to find the area of this right angle triangle. So now let's apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square means 40. AC is 40. 40 square is equal to AB square, which we don't know. So we'll leave it as AB square plus BC square, which is 24 square. So now if we have to find AB square, that will be equal to 40 square minus 24 square, because we are transposing 24 to the other side. So AB square is equal to 40 square. 40 means 4 square. 4 fours are 16, and then 2 zeros, 0 and 0, minus 24 square. 24 into 24 is 576. So AB square is equal to 1600 minus 576, which is 1024. So now if we have to find AB, what do we say? We say the square root of 1024. So now let's find the square root of 1024. So if we take 1024 using the prime factors, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again we have 2 2s are 4, then we have 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Continue, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then we have 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Then we have 64. 2 into 32 is 64. 2 into 16 is 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. Now we have all these factors. Let's pair them up. So bring out 1, 2 from here. Bring out 1, 2 from here. Then we take another 2 from here. We bring out another 2 and one more 2. So now AB is equal to, let's write that. How many 2's do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's write that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's multiply. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16 and 16 2's are 32. So now we have found the value of the side AB, and that is 32 centimeters. That means we have found the height here. So height is now 32 centimeters. Now that we have the base and the height, we can find the area of this triangle. So now we know the height, we know the base. Let's find the area of the right angle triangle using the formula half base into height. So that is half into the base is 24 centimeters and the height is 32 centimeters. Let's cancel. So 2 ones are 2 and here 2 12s are 24. So we have to multiply 12 into 32 and that is the area of this triangle. And that is 384 centimeter square. So we have found the area of the triangle and this is our answer. Question 14. Use the information given in the given figure to find the length of AC. So we have a triangle here. Now we have to find the length of AC, that is this line, length of AC. Now for that, what can we do? We've been given AB and BC. To find AC, we can use the Pythagoras theorem, according to which AC square is equal to the square of AB square plus BC square. So now we have to find AC, isn't it? So we can use this Pythagoras theorem. So let's do that. So AC square is equal to AB square. AB is 24 centimeters, 24 centimeters square, this whole thing, plus BC square, which is 7 centimeter square. So AC square is equal to 24 into 24, which is 576, plus 7 square, 7 sevens are 49. So AC square is equal to 576 plus 49, which is 625. Now to find AC, we have to find the square root of 625. So let's find the square root of 625. So let's use 5 here. So 5, 1s are 5, then we have 12, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25. So again 5 2s are 10, there is 2 left, 5 5s are 25. Then again 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now let's pair them up. So here let's take one from here and one from this pair. So now what do we have? AC is equal to 5 into 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. So we have found AC to be 25 centimeters. So we have found the first answer. We were asked to find the length of AC and we have found that out to be 25 centimeters. Now what is the second question? In the second question, we have to find the area of angle ABC. So let's do that. We have been given the base, that is 24 centimeters. We have the height 7 centimeters and now we can find the area of triangle ABC by using the formula half into base into height. So half into base, and the base is 24 centimeters and the height is 7 centimeters. Let's cancel here. So this is 12. Now 12 into 7 is 84. So the area of triangle ABC is 84 centimeter square. So we have found the answer to the second question also. Let's go to the next question. Here we have to find the length of BD. Now this is BD. This length correct to one decimal place. So here as you can see, BD has touched AC at right angles. That means BD is perpendicular to AC. Let's make a note of that. BD is perpendicular to AC. That means now we can find the area of this triangle by using BD as a height. So we have the base. AC this time is going to be the base, which we found out to be 25 centimeters. And the height, we are going to take BD this time as the height, which we are going to find. So the height is BD. So the area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. And we already know the area. We found out to be 84 centimeters square. And this is going to be half into the base. And this time the base is 25 and the height is BD, which we don't know and we are going to find. So here there's nothing that we can cancel, isn't it? So we're going to write it as 84 equals 1 into 25 is 25 by 2 into BD. So now when we find the value of BD, what do we say? We say 84 divided by 25 by 2 because we have transposed it to the other side. So now if you want to find the value of BD, what do we say? This is 84 into, write the reciprocal, 2 by 25. So BD is equal to 84 into 2 is 168 and then divide this by 25. Now we have to divide it correct to one decimal place. So let's divide that 168 divided by 25. 25 into 6 is 150 minus, now here we have 8, 1 and then we continue our division 180. Now 25 into 7 is 175 minus, now here we have to borrow, so this becomes 10 minus 5 is 5 and then 0. Now let's continue 50. 25 into 2 is 50 and now our remainder is 0. So now what do we have? We have 6.72. We are asked to round it off to one decimal place. That means we have to stop at 7, but we need to look at the number to the right of it. It is less than 5, so this remains as 6.72. So that means BD is equal to 6.7 to one decimal place, so 6.1 centimeters. So this is our answer. We have found the height BD and that is 6.7 centimeters. So with this we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you children.